Hello, this is Kalsoom Hussain with case study number 2. The patient we are talking about today is Carl Smith. He is 75 years old with a BMI of 28. For the most part, he practices a vegetarian diet, although recently he has been trying to transition into a vegan diet. He takes 2 medications at the moment, the first being hydrochlorothiazide, which is a diuretic used to treat edema. He takes 25 milligrams of this once daily. He also takes Prilosec, which is a proton pump inhibitor used to treat GERD. He takes 20 milligrams of this once a day. He is not working. He is actually retired and spends most of his time at home watching television or completing puzzles. He has a sedentary lifestyle and only completes light in-home exercises less than twice a week. The doctor ordered a 24-hour food recall as well as blood work. So for the food recall, for breakfast, he stated that he had bagel with butter and then coffee with dairy-free cream and sugar. For the morning snack, he had a bag of chips. And for lunch, he had a Greek salad and a fruit bowl. The fruit bowl consists of strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. For an afternoon snack, he had cookies and coffee with dairy-free cream and sugar. And for dinner, he had white rice with lentils and a spinach salad. Currently, he is taking a vitamin D supplement, 6,000 IUs of that. From the blood results, it indicated that he had high levels of parathyroid hormone, or PTH, and vitamin D. Some symptoms that he's noticed, in the past 6 months he noticed a little bit of weight gain, and he's also been having sporadic muscle contractions in his extremities and numbness and tingling in his hands and feet. So some questions are, based on all of the symptoms present, what mineral deficiency or toxicity do you think Carl could be suffering from? Keep in mind his blood work results. Number 2, if the deficiency or toxicity continues, what are some health effects that can occur? Number 3, could this deficiency or toxicity have an effect on other minerals? And for the last question, what advice would you recommend in terms of nutrition? Would you recommend any specific foods or supplements? And if you would, please list those. And these are the references that I have.